we are actually an energy transition company. Our origins are in oil and gas infrastructure. So the equity part for the projects in green, we have from our brown business. So very unlike a company like this, which is a standalone green business, we have equity coming in, which funding the transition from our brown business. We have set an internal target for 30% of our equity at minimum to be invested in green by 2030. That's the 30% of a very big equity base, right? And in terms of the availability of capital, what we are finding actually is there's no lack of capital. There's different pockets for brown, there's different pockets for transition, there's different pockets for green, right? In the last few years, we have raised about 1.2 billion ringgit in terms of sustainability linked finance or green placements, right? That has at the corporate level, putting aside project financing. So these money have actually all been plowed as equity, right, into our green projects. So I think some of the issues here is really availability of capital is there. Ronnie just said, you just have to get through that checklist. So now I know how to get money from Nazri, sorry. Right? Now I know how you score and I know how to get your money. So capital is there, but then sometimes there's a mismatch in terms of what is required and what is available. We, for example, are now in touch with a couple multilateral